Hey, what's up everyone? Easy Earl here, and today we are going to discuss which is better. Is it athletic greens or bloom greens and superfoods? Let's begin. Basically, athletic greens and bloom are both known for their superfood-based supplements, but they have their own unique features, and that's what we're going to explore in this video. We're gonna dive deep into their pros and cons, alright? Moving forward, if you haven't done so, you might want to check our channel to see some athletic greens comparison video. But for those who haven't, it offers a comprehensive blend of vitamins, minerals, probiotics, antioxidants, and superfoods in one serving. It aims to provide a wide range of nutrients, potentially supporting overall health, energy levels, immune function, and gut health. Athletic Greens emphasizes quality ingredients, focusing on natural sources and avoiding artificial additives. Now, Bloom offers a blend of natural plant-based ingredients, emphasizing clean and organic sources. They provide various products tailored for specific purposes such as energy, immunity, detox, or beauty. Also, Bloom offers a range of products beyond just superfoods blends, including beauty, elixirs, and protein powders. And of course, they cannot escape the cons for everyone. So athletic greens can be relatively expensive compared to similar green superfood supplements on the market, and some users might find the taste or texture less palatable, as is common with many green supplements. Now, Bloom, in terms of the availability, it might vary depending on location, limiting access for some individuals. And again, some users might not find the taste or mixability as enjoyable depending on personal preferences, right? As always, it pays to check the website, so go here at bloom.com. As you can see, they offer so many products right here. You might want to check all of them to see if it fits your needs, your goals, your budget, all right? So basically, I went here to check and compare, all right? If it's for you. Or you might even want to check the, these are the catalogs of Bloom Greens and Superfoods, all right? You might want to check all of them. And also, I noticed something here down below where it says the Bloom Wellness Club, all right? Join the Bloom Wellness Club and earn exclusive perks and rewards every time you shop. There are ways to earn and the rewards. If you wanted more information, I suggest you go here. And I could say the same thing for Athletic Greens. Just go in their website. You might want to find more information and you'll be surprised on how Athletic Greens work. Mix 1 scoop of AG1 with 8 ounces of cold water. Just shake and enjoy the refreshing taste of pineapple and vanilla. Alright? Ultimately, when comparing Athletic Greens and Bloom, you have to consider your specific health goals, ingredient preferences, taste preferences, and budget. Both aims to provide a variety of nutrients from natural sources, but differences in formulations, product range, taste, and availability may impact your choice, alright? As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Is really advisable, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medications. And that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.